When it gets chilly outside, and congestion and allergies act up, dry air can make matters worse. LEVOIT's new Classic 200 humidifier has state-of-the-art technology to ensure you get the moisture in the air that you need. Enjoy up to 40 hours of humidity and choose between 3 mist levels. Use the 360-degree mist nozzles to direct the mist for maximum comfort. You can even use your humidifier to fill the room with relaxing aromas from essential oils. And when it's time for bed, the Classic light and operate quieter than a library. When the humidifier runs out of water, it automatically turns off. Easily clean your humidifier using vinegar with LEVOIT Classic